Hi everybody, and welcome to this quick demonstration. It's for the purpose of one of the questions that one of you guys asked, and it's basically about the tilt of the axis of the Earth, and how is that going to be impacted if we change it a little bit. So what I have in here, I have a small ball in here, as you can clearly see. What I did, I marked the equator, which is the dark line that you guys see in the middle, and then I marked the about 23 degrees, which is I did not really use a ruler or anything like that for the tropical zone, and also in here I have the Arctic zone. So because the Earth is slightly tilted by 23 degrees from the axis right now, I'm looking what looks like it's summer. This is, I'm assuming, it's more or less the sun. So as it spins around the Earth right now, most of the radiation of the sun is coming to the southern hemisphere. Actually, this is winter, I'm sorry. And for the north side, it's winter. For the upper half of the planet, it's winter. So right now, most of the radiation is coming to the south, and the solar radiation. So as the Earth spins around the sun, if the sun stays in its place and I don't move anything else, okay, as you can clearly see, in this case the radiation is mainly coming toward the northern hemisphere, which is summer for us here in the northern hemisphere, and the south is on the other side. Now the question was, what happened was, if so this is a tropical zone, obviously some transition in here, as you can clearly see, most of the radiation is coming to the to the middle of the planet, basically to where the equator is. Okay, and the same thing during the transition between the summer and the winter, which is the fall. Okay, so the question is not that. The question is actually what happened if you tilt it by twice as much. Right now it's tilted by 23 degrees with respect to, this is the plane of the ecliptic, this is where the planet goes around the sun. And it's tilted by 23 degrees, so this is roughly 23 degrees. So if I tilt it by twice as much, by 50 degrees, what happened to the regions of both the tropical regions and also the Arctic region? The Arctic region, as you can clearly see, and there is another one in here I didn't represent. So what happened when you double that? So you can imagine with me, or you can demo this at home, and you can see what happened to the seasons. Now, okay, you can clearly see that the seasons will change, and they will become far more drastic in terms of the hotter becomes a lot hotter, because there will be more radiation to the Arctic zone, whereas the tropics will be basically almost flipping roles. You can demo this, and you can answer the question, just to help you guys along this question for, I think, question 13 from the homework assignment. Thank you.